All right, so it's time to put our instrument away. We've had a good lesson, we have a good practice, and now it's time to safely put our instrument back in its case. So one of the first things we need to do is move our case from the side of our chair back to the front so it's easy to manipulate. So we have it in front of us and we'll open it back up. And now we can see the different spots to put things away. So before you can get your instrument to fit in your case, you're going to have to remove your shoulder rest. So as we slid it in this direction to get it to stay on, we now have to do the opposite and slide away from us or slide to the right. We're going to hold on to that shoulder rest just for a moment until we get our instrument securely in the case. So we place it in, and some cases are shaped, some cases are just open, but we have it on a spot where it securely sits in the case. And then the strap, the seat belt that holds it in, Velcro seat belt, so we're going to make sure that that stays in place as well. So instrument is securely in, and now we have to figure out the shoulder rest. Some cases will have a spot where we can slide it right in, and this case is one of those. So I might have to move the legs around a little bit to get it to fit, but I'm going to slide it underneath the neck just a bit, and then I'm going to put it right on top. With the legs adjusted, it'll sit right on top. It's nice and flat. We can close the lid. Other cases we have a bag to slide it in. So if you have one of those cases, one of those that the instrument won't fit or the instrument and shoulder rest won't fit together, there'll be a bag that will be on your case that we can just slide that shoulder rest in and close that lid on that. So we have to make sure everything's flat, secure, and we're going to pull that cover closed. This case happens to have our zippers, so we'll grab that zipper, pull it around, grab this zipper, pull it around, and our case is ready to go.